how to use advanced filter option in Excel. Advanced filter selects the records based on complex criteria. It's fast and flexible, and it works on large data sets. Like the normal or the basic filters, advanced filter also works on the data without deleting or changing anything in the sheet. It is also possible to extract the report at some other location. This option is available in Data tab, Sort and Filter group, Advanced. Shortcut for advanced filter is Alt-A-Q. Let us apply advanced filter on this data set. Let us insert few rows on the top. Copy the headings in the first row. Now press Alt-A-Q. Is a shortcut to apply advanced filter. The list range here will be the data along with the headings. The criteria range is available in the first two rows. Right now there is no condition applied, so there is no filter applied as well. In the criteria range, in the region column I am typing East. If I press Alt-A-Q and then press enter, Alt-A-Q gives me this dialog box. I need to now press OK. It shows me only the East region records. I'll change the value to West. I need to press Alt-A-Q, then press enter. West region. To see all the Amar transactions, in the salesperson column, I'm writing here Amar and I'll press Alt-A-Q, enter. I got only the Amar transactions. To find out Amar transactions in West, I'm applying in the criteria range both the conditions and I'll press Alt-A-Q, enter. It shows only the required filters. We can apply conditions on many fields at the same time. There are now no conditions. If I apply Alt-A-Q, enter, it has to show me all the records. Yes. Another condition I'll try on amount less than 2000. Alt-A-Q, enter. Yes. All the transactions after 1st April 2020. Alt-A-Q, enter. Now please observe, this condition is not possible in our basic filter options. The requirement here is to find out Amar transactions in North region and Akbar transactions in West region only. So whenever I am writing a condition one below the other in the criteria range, it is or applied. Like Amar transactions in North or Akbar transactions in West. I'll press Alt-A-Q. Observe the criteria range now is from A1 to F3. Click OK. Same way, laptop transactions in East or charger transactions in West. Yes. Whenever we write conditions like this side by side, it is and applied. Greater than 2000 and less than 3000. So both the conditions should satisfy. Whenever I write any condition one below the other, that is or applied. So here in this, all the transactions less than 1500 or all the transactions greater than 4500. All these are the transactions which are not between 1500 and 4500. instead of we disturbing the source data, we will extract the data at some other location. Here in the advanced filter option, I'm selecting the option copy to another location, and copy to option also I'm selecting here as G5. If I click, after clicking OK, I'll get those filtered records here. Here I created some duplicate records. There are 4 similar. If I want to see only the unique records, in advanced filter we have an option unique records only. I'm applying the option copy to another location, copy to H1, copy to H5, unique records only. If I click OK, advanced filter will select only the unique records now. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.